Washington County jail inmates are suing the jail, the sheriff, and the jail physician after several inmates were prescribed ivermectin to treat COVID-19 over the summer.
Tonight, the inmates getting some backup on that lawsuit. 5 News reporter Michael Wilson explains.
Yeah, the ACLU of Arkansas joining 4 Washington County jail inmates in this lawsuit. Now, the inmates say they were not given a choice when it came to COVID-19 treatment and were unknowingly given ivermectin.
They were given an experimental medication and had no option.
Washington County Justice of the Peace Eva Madison says jail physician Rob Karras did not provide inmates with an alternative treatment option. And the ACLU says the inmates were not told what was being prescribed to them and were lied to.
They were told they were getting vitamins or steroids to make them feel better.
But ACLU Legal Director Gary Sullivan says the drug did the opposite.
They also started experiencing some side effects.
The U.S. Food and Drug Administration has approved ivermectin for use by people and animals for some parasitic worms, head lice, and skin conditions. However, the FDA has not approved its use in treating or preventing COVID-19 in humans. The ACLU says they contacted the jail about this, and they did nothing.
We notified Sheriff Helder and Dr. Karras that they should stop this practice. They refused.
Dr. Rob Karras has been with the Washington County Jail for the past 6 years. Over the summer, he says 531 inmates at the jail tested positive for COVID. In August, Dr. Karras told 5 News that he had also taken ivermectin to treat COVID.
I've had COVID twice. I've taken ivermectin. I've given it to my mom before she got vaccinated. She was on it preventatively.
That same month, the state medical board began investigating Dr. Karras for prescribing ivermectin. He has previously said no inmates were forced to take the drug. On Thursday, we reached out to Dr. Karras and received no comment.
He needs to be gone from the jail as far as I'm concerned. And gone from Washington County, really, providing health care for any of our folks.
Now, 5 News has sent emails and calls to the Washington County Jail. However, we have not heard back. In Fayetteville, covering news where you live, Michael Wilson, 5 News.
All right, Micah, thanks. The lawsuit is being filed in federal court. The ACLU is hoping an injunction is filed to prevent Dr. Karras from prescribing ivermectin to inmates at the jail.
New